6 weird things on Amazon I actually like. Number 11 is my fry away powder that you can use to dispose of your oil once you're done using it. Just pour the oil in, cook your food, and if you're done with the oil, you can pour this powder in directly after, which will then turn it into a gelatin state, which you can then just throw away in the trash.
Amazing.
Number 4 is my solution to storing all these grocery bags that we use for stinky diapers and tiny trash cans. This holder allows you to stick it anywhere you want in your house, and then you can easily place bags in there so they are out of the way and organized.
That's cool.
Number 5 is my Pop Darts game that's kind of like bocce ball, but you can play it anywhere in your house.
No way.
There's definitely a learning curve to it, but once you get it, you can have so much fun playing with your friends and family, and I can't tell you how satisfying it is to get one to stick.
Nice one.
Number 9 is this photo printer that directly syncs to your phone through Bluetooth so you can easily print photos at home. You just have to put the photo paper and ink cartridge in, and then the app allows you to have complete control of editing your photos before you print. It's so fun to print pictures at home, and even more fun to show off my cute girls.
So cute.
Number 10 is my 3-in-1 charger that will charge your phone, watch, and headphones, and it even has a nightlight.
Okay, thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.